Okay, next seventh question. So that is what are the X and Y in this reaction? Alcohol PCl5. So in this case here alkyl chloride and POCl3 and HCl. These are the side products. Okay, it is a direct reaction. And next eighth question: which of the following produce alcohol on treatment with sodium nitrite and HCl in presence of water? So generally you know this reaction, that is alkylamine on reaction with NaNO2 HCl. There is nothing but diazotization. That is converted to Rn2 plus, and from this one alcohol is produced. It is a preparation method of alcohol from primary amines. So only primary amines on reaction with NaNO2 HCl will get the alcohol. So option is 1. And next another question, that is the 59th question: what are X and Y in the following reaction sequence? So actually here the propene means here propene on reaction with HBr. Propene, this is propene on reaction with the HBr. So Marconi conversion takes place, 2-bromo propane. Now this one on treating with the magnesium, you will get the isopropyl magnesium bromide. So this one on treating with B, and that means this is the B, and this one on treating with X followed by hydrolysis will get the Y. So we have to find out the X and Y in this case. So here this is the Grignard reagent. Okay, fix it. This is the Grignard reagent. If this Grignard reagent is added to this compound, that means here double bond O, this one, this isopropyl group is added to this ketone, then product is OH and isopropyl group and then isopropyl group. So actually in this case the product contains 2 isopropyl groups, but in this case here only 1 isopropyl group is there. So it is the incorrect option. Okay, actually here question we have to think clearly, because in this case here X and Y is not given. That means here reactant is not given, but here one reactant we know this one, that is the isopropyl magnesium bromide. So if you add isopropyl magnesium bromide to these ketones, okay, they are the given ketones. For example, to this one isopropyl bromide is added. So in this case here ethyl group, and next one actually ketones produce a tertiary alcohols, but in this case here this is ethyl and this is a methyl, and there is an isopropyl of course, but in this case here 2 ethyl groups, but in this product only 1 ethyl group is there, so it is not a correct option. And next this is the third option, that means diethyl ketone adding isopropyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis. That means in the product 2 ethyl groups, there are 2 ethyl groups and 1 isopropyl groups. So it is a, that means here this compound on addition with isopropyl magnesium bromide, this is the correct option. Okay, that's it. Again in this case here this is isopropyl and this is ethyl, and adding isopropyl magnesium bromide, that means here the product contains 2 isopropyl groups and 1 ethyl, but in this case here 2 ethyl groups are there of course, but here the methyl is given, so option 3 is the correct one. This is the previous AP MSET question. And next 60th question, yes, it is also a previous MSET question. So in this case chloroethane CH3 CH2Cl chloroethane on treating with silver acetate Ca3C double bond O Ag, O minus Ag plus silver acetate. That means it is a nucleophile. That nucleophile will replace the Cl minus nucleophile. So product is CH3C double bond O. Okay, CH3C double bond O, and this is CH2CH3. That means here ester is the product. And this chloroethane on treating with the lithium, and this ethyl chloride on treating with the lithium aluminum hydride. So actually here Cl minus replaced by the H minus CH3 CH3. Ethane is the product. Okay, this is nothing but nucleophile substitution reaction. The Cl minus replaced by the H minus nucleophile, which is released from the LiAlH4. That means Li plus AlH4 minus. Okay, so option is ester and alkane. And next 11th question: from the following identify the reaction that gives the alcohol as a product. So it is also previous MSET question. So hydroboration oxidation is nothing but addition of water to the alkenes follows antimalconic of addition. So that is the product. And next here sodium borohydride. This is also a reduction reaction that produces the ketone, and the product is this one. And next this H2 nickel. Generally here metal and H2, that means catalytic reduction is not suitable for the ester. Esters, acid halides, esters, amides, carboxylic acids are not reduced by the catalytic hydrogenation. And in this case, dichlorosis, this is the gem dichloride. So in this reaction actually CH3 and CH3, Cl, Cl. So this is on treating with the NaOH, OH and here OH. So a loss of water molecule takes place, is nothing but first nucleophile substitution and then followed by loss of water molecule. So we will get the ketone. It's not a alcohol. So option is 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are correct. That means here option C is the correct one. And next 12th one, the products of the reaction are, we discussed this reaction. Okay, this is the leaving group. So that isotopic oxygen is present in ethyl alcohol. So one option is correct.